The MS in Applied Data Science program at UChicago gave me an enormous amount of support, pivoting from a less technical field into arguably one of the most technical fields out there right now. Anytime I needed help with this transition, I never had to wonder where to go for that support. I feel like I have one of the best jobs in the world. I get to spend all day meeting with and working with amazing, intelligent people and doing really, really cool things with AI. I get to work on everything from large language model-based projects and computer vision-based projects. Pretty much everything I do in my day-to-day work now is based on skills that I learned in my time at UChicago. The program did an amazing job of preparing me not just to understand this work, but to really go out into industry and do this work. I feel like I could not have possibly landed in a better place after the program.